Hello everyone and welcome back to Sandy Says. In today's video I'm going to be giving you my first impression of the Allen Sports trailer. So I bought this and then I used it for the first time today, and this is not a full review. I'm just going to give you a couple things that I noticed right off the bat from my first run today, and then I will do a full in-depth review later on. So here we go. But before I get into this, I just want to remind you, if you are new, please hit that subscribe button down below. I upload videos 3 times a week, always a toy review or toy demo, baby review, baby gear review, or baby demo, and then an activity that you can do with your kids. And I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. So first thing was, this stroller was a beast to assemble. It was not easy to assemble at all. It was actually kind of really a pain in the butt. The second thing is the handlebar is a little bit wobbly, so I do feel like there's a little bit of pull when I'm running. I haven't used it on a bike yet, so this is just like the stroller part of it. And then the last thing is, on the box it says that you can fold the stroller or fold this bike trailer down, and that it goes completely flat, and that is not true. You can do it, but you essentially have to unassemble the stroller to fold it down. So if you need to take it places, if you're not just running near where you live, if you have to, like me, if you have to drive to a walking trail or a bike riding trail or whatever, this will take up your entire trunk space. It takes up the whole 3rd row in my SUV. So, and if I didn't have an SUV, it wouldn't fit at all. And if I had car seats in the back row or just people in the back row, it also would not work. So keep that in mind. And and then the last thing is, so the cup, which this is probably just because it's a bike trailer, but so the cup holders on the bottom are on the very bottom of this thing, and when I'm running I like to be able to take a drink. So, and I can't do that with this stroller because they're at the bottom. So I just wish there was cup holder at the top. As far as actual running with it, I really did enjoy it. It's light. Yesterday I put my 5-year-old in it, and I also had my 3-year-old in it, and they both fit in there comfortably. I like that you zip down the net, and then if they've got any toys or whatever, that they can have them in there. They can have their snacks and all of that stuff without throwing their trash out or toys. If you had a baby in an infant car seat, you could easily just set the infant car seat in here and then strap it in through the seat belts. Probably not the safest option, but you could do it. And it's a really smooth ride. I really like it. My biggest thing right now is that I cannot fold it down. That's super annoying. And then I also like that the rain cover is built in. So that's all I have to say about this stroller right now, this bike trailer. It's the Allen Sports Deluxe double bike trailer, 2-in-1. So you can use the stroller or you can pull it behind your bike. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it. It was $140 at Walmart, and the fact that it won't fold down is just really annoying. So yeah, if you have any questions, comment down below. Check back later for a full review if that's something you're interested in, and the assembly video will also be linked up here or down below as well. And that's all. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.